Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how you can set up your AutoCAD 3D workshop. So the tools you are seeing on my left, on my right, and here, I'm using these tools and the commands to create most of my 3D works. Now I'm right clicking on this toolbar and I'm going to show you what I'm using. I have dimension, which is here, modeling, which is there, orbit, which is there. No, sorry. Orbit is behind this bar here. Then render is there behind this one. View is there. And visual style is here. Only this tool I'm using. I'm gonna go to the lock locator, all, and locked. Tool is locked, not able to move anymore. Now we are going to set up the dimension and everything. So let's go to the format, go to unit, check. So most of the time it's automatically, when you open a file, it's automatically you stay inches. If you are in Middle East or in somewhere else, you can use the unit you like, kilometer, micrometer, everything is there. And the length type is decimal. I'm gonna use engineering, precision 0 feet 0 inches. I'm gonna take 0 feet 0.0 inches. This one gonna give me a specific more specific dimensions. And I'm gonna click OK. Then right now I'm gonna go to format again, go to what is the point style, go to the point style. I'm gonna choose this one, click OK. Then I'm gonna go to format again, go to what is called text style, should be checked before. I have Arial, I'm gonna use Arial narrow. Then height is make it like 2 inches, apply, close. Then I'm gonna go again, format, go to dimension style, go to, we have standard, right? I'm gonna make a new one, new 3D works. Click continue, then go to lines, see if we need anything to change here. No. Gonna go to symbol and arrow size is very small. I'm gonna make it 1 inch. Break size, make it 0.5. Then go to text, standard, no problem. Text color is okay, and other than that we do not need much things here. Align with line is good. Go to feet, anything here? No. Primary unit, decimal, must be changed the primary unit, guys, do not forget it. So engineering 0 feet 0.0 inch, and what? Go to alternate unit, nothing in there. Tolerance, no need to unit change anything. So click OK, click close. No, make it set current. So 3D works is selected, right? Make it set current, click close, and voila, you are done. You are now have the 3D workshop with your file and unit and everything setting. Now we're going to save this file. Before save, right now I don't like this grid line, so I'm going to press F7 from the keyboard. If I want to bring it back, F7 again. So press F7, is gone. Then I don't like this UCS icon. If I do something 3D, the 3D UCS icon gonna show up. So I'm gonna turn it off. UCS icon, enter, or double F, enter. It's gone. Now we have all the space for ourselves. So I hope you learned something, guys. If you like the video, you can share with your friends and give me a thumbs up. Take care. See you in the next 3-minute video.